Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 31st, 2024, and we're analyzing Meta stock, taking a look at the news, and then examining the charts to see what correlations we can find. Starting with the daily chart, we see a relatively volatile price action over the past few months. There has been a clear upward trend since October, with the stock price breaking above several resistance levels. However, there are a few corrections and a few periods of consolidation. The volume of trades has been increasing as the stock moves higher. Let's now look at the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action and to look for potential short-term trends. The 1-hour chart helps us look for short-term entry and exit points. Notice that in early December, the price fell sharply, but recovered to near its previous highs. The volume on these drops and recoveries is significant. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, we can see even more granular details of the recent price swings. The 15-minute chart is useful for intraday trading. Notice that there are a lot of small candles on the 15-minute chart showing that price fluctuates within a narrower range. These candles show how much the price moves on the day and are useful to short-term traders. Now, let's relate this chart data to the news we discussed earlier. The initial drop in early December could correlate with concerns about rising AI costs that we read about online. The upward trend since October might be fueled by the positive sentiment about the position of the company looking into 2025. The recent volatility could be attributed to profit-taking as the stock has been on a rally recently. Looking ahead, it's important to monitor key price levels. There's strong support around $590, resistance around $610. A break above $610 could signal a continuation of the upward trend, while a break below $590 could trigger a significant correction. The likelihood of this happening is roughly 60% based on the past couple months. If positive news continues, the likelihood increases. If negative news emerges, it decreases. In the short term, focusing on the 1-hour chart, we can set up potential entry points based on minor trend reversals and support/resistance levels on this time frame. In the longer term, the daily chart gives an overall picture. There will be many corrections on the way up, so be prepared. To summarize, Meta has shown a bullish trend recently, but with some corrections along the way. Key support sits around $590, resistance near $610. The likelihood of the support and resistance holding is moderate, around 60%, and it could shift greatly based on overall market sentiment and news. Keep an eye on those levels, and let's see where Meta takes us next. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.